I'm back! Hey! Alright, I had a shower really quickly. I didn't get to dry my hair.
What you gonna do?
Dog with a dog! Sam!
I'm here today with my dog called Sam. He doesn't like people. He's called Sam. Say hello. Say hello. He's very shy.
Girl, I don't like people. I don't like anybody.
What's it like knowing that everything that you hear could be a possible threat? His face!
Look, I don't want to be here.
Lie forward. Lie forward like a gentleman. Come forward like a gentleman. Come forward like a gentleman. Sign this here. That's it. Now I own your soul!
You are so pretty. I wish I could be like you. Why can't I be like you?
No, you're not leaving me. Quite ready to sing a duet with me.
Come on, you got into it then. You're about to sing it.
I was about to sing it. No, don't leave! Why does everything leave me?
Sam, I miss you. Come back to me.
Come. Come on now. Yes! No, I want it to.
Oh!
Did he bite this bit? Or did it rip?
Oh well.
Ah, I know you love me. Ah, I'm very much like you actually. You're really annoying and awkward, and that's not like me.
He loves me, okay? We're happy. He's not happy. Oh, what was that? What was that? Oh, I don't know. That wasn't me.
Don't sniff him there.
Oh! Ah!
He flees.